Suppose I come back from the store. Everyone has to see that I came back from the store, that I brought food and other things, and that I'm doing it for the family. And then mom explains to the kids that this is what dad brought, and we have to say thank you to dad. And if mom does something, we say thank you, mom, for cooking, and so on. These are the things that build the connection. What did you want to emphasize through these two examples? The importance of contributing to the family? Yes, that kids will learn that they have to contribute too. So that will be one of our 10 commandments. In our family, it's important that everyone will try and contribute whatever he can to the family. Yes, and everyone in the family feels that he is obligated to emphasize the other's contributions. Okay, so that's the second rule, that everyone is obligated to emphasize the contribution of others. Yes, and there isn't a day that goes by where we don't talk about the love between the members of the family. And if there's no love, no such thing. You talk about it. But it was a stormy day. From 4 till 5, we talk about love. I'm telling you seriously. But there are stormy days. Stormy, then specifically now we talk. I can have a fight with my wife right now, and tomorrow morning when I go on a walk with her, and this is something that I can't break, I can't say, I'm busy, or I'm sick. I can't. I can't avoid it. We have this habit of going for a walk, and there's no such thing that we think about what happened yesterday. And it happens that we fight in one way or another, and we forcefully, necessarily don't remember anything. What do you mean, I don't remember? I remember. But I forcefully come and smile, and suddenly I feel that it's really something foolish, nothing bad, and also that I was wrong, and so on. Meaning there are such rules in a family. Love time. When? According to the clock. By the clock. Not that we'll talk about it sometime later. And this is a must for every family member to express his love. Let's say, not love, but respect. Respect is better than love. What do you mean? Because respect, love, it's on an animalistic level. I love you. You're my kid. Respect is that I have to see values in you. I appreciate you. I don't simply love you. I treat you as a human being and not as a part of me, a piece of flesh that I love. And therefore, I'm saying that respect is more important here than love.